Hi friends, today we are going to solve get node value problem statement from linked list. So the problem statement given here is given a pointer to the head of the linked list and a specific position, determine the data at that position, count backward from the tail node. The tail is at position 0 and its parent is at 1 and so on. So basic problem statement states that we have to uh, there will be two parameters given in the function get node. One would be our linked list and second would be an integer value which would basically means which would be named as position from the tail. So you have to count number of steps backward from the tail, which would be equal to the position from the tail value, and you have to print that value. Instead of counting it from the left hand side, this time we'd be counting it from the right hand side, or also the tail from the tail. So this is the basic problem statement. As always, let's start writing the code. First we will initialize a variable and we will assign our list to it, and another variable which will be counting the total number of linked list value present in LL list. Then we will be looping this list not equal to none, and in each step we will be incrementing our ith value by 1 so that we are able to count it. Once we have done that, again we will be initializing p with a list, and now we would be looping, we will be writing a for loop. Basically right now we're looping the entire list from the first position to the total number of available linked list values minus the position from the tail. So in that way we would be getting our desired value. So this is the basic idea. P equal to p dot next, and we'll be returning our return p. So let's submit the code. I guess it would run. Okay, made some mistake. Yes. Okay, I did another mistake here. Object has no attribute next in line number 63. P should have next value. Okay, I got it. What mistake I have done. Get list better than the last time. Yeah, and we would return the p dot data. In here we are just sending in the address code or the object references, but we need to send the data. So p dot data would be the value that we need to send. So once we have written this entire code, so let's submit it. And as you could see, it passed all these these cases successfully. So as always, I always keep on reminding you, please comment below the code, so that comment your feedback, which would be a reference for me to improve upon the next videos that would be coming in this series. And also, if you have a better idea of solving the same problem in a much more simpler, easier way, or basically easier to understand way, which would be easier to grasp by any rookie in this domain, then please share me your code. And any other feedback or any other problem statement that you want me to solve, or any way you want to contribute in this entire program, then please join the Discord channel. And as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned.